Hi, I'm Lisa from Everything Nice for Dolls. I make and sell doll clothes for 18-inch dolls, such as American Girl dolls. I also make other sizes, such as the 14-inch Welly Wishers and the 15-inch Bitty Babies. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Also, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and also hit that notification bell so you will always know when I upload another video. Okay, so for today's video, I wanted to talk to you about, or show you actually, a room tour of the latest room that portable room that I just finished. Now I did a video on that not too long ago about how to make a portable room. Now I will put that link up there in the cards right up there so you can watch that whenever you want to. Okay, so but like I said, I am going to do a tour of what I made. Now this room that I made, this portable room, is a school room. So I also did a video, I'll practically have a whole video series of back to school. So we've been at school for several weeks now. I don't know, maybe a little over a month. And I just thought that I would show you kind of what I've been working on also. Maybe sometimes some of these videos I'll show you what my latest thing that I've been working on, because I tell you every week what I do, that I make doll clothes for 18-inch dolls, but I don't think I've ever really shown you some of my clothes that I've made. Okay, so I'll grab that one. Okay, so right now my latest little outfit that I've been working on is a little Halloween, a little outfit for Halloween. And because gosh, this month has been just flying by. September is just going really, really fast. Now here is the hat for the doll. It fits an 18-inch doll. And also here is the little top that goes with it. Little top is made out of knit fabric, and then it has some little on the sleeves it has some gathered tulle. It's really cute. Okay, but that's not the whole outfit. I'm not finished yet. It also has a skirt that goes with it, with a little apron that's attached on the front. So whenever I get finished with that, I will show you that. Now, in the next few weeks, I will be doing some videos getting ready for Halloween. I've done a video before that was a room tour of how I decorated my dollhouse for Halloween. And maybe I will do another one of those, but like kind of a updated version of that, because I'm hoping to go to the Dollar Tree again sometime, and maybe they'll have some new things that I could find for Halloween decorating in my dollhouse. Okay, so I guess that we'll get on with the video of touring my schoolroom. All right, now here is the portable room that I made into a classroom. Now right here, this little dresser thing, I made that into kind of a little science center with a mannequin that shows the different kinds of parts and the microscope. And if you notice this little microscope, it's really cute. It actually lights up. Okay. And here is a little thing here that has, I'm not going to open it up because I only have one hand, but it has the little slides that you can put under the pretend microscope. And here is some note paper right here so the students can go over there and they can make their observations on the note paper. And here, this little cabinet has some little drawers and you put different things in there. And then there's a little pretend plant that makes the classroom look kind of neat. And up here I have got the ABCs written on some of that, some of the little lined things that I got from the Dollar Tree. And also here is a chalkboard. Now this was just a little wooden chalkboard that I got from Walmart. And I decorated, painted it in cute, bright little colors. And then how I attached this to the wall is I just put some of these little, here's these little things right here that are little Velcro dots. So I put that up there. That way, if you wanted to, you could take it off. Okay, over here on the side, I've got a little, this is a little storage area thing that I got from the Dollar Tree too. And you can use that kind of as a little shelf. Right now, I put some of those little storage container things, and I put some, these are actually buttons that looks like they've got a little bug collection, you know, like one is a pretend spider. It's a button though, you know, it's a spider. And also have, this went with the desk thing that I got from Our Generation. It's a little recycling bin so they can put their recyclables in there and be responsible students. Also, up here at the top, I've got some little magazines, and there was a homework folder and stuff like that. And then over there, kind of in the corner, I got this is a little aquarium, and I got that from MyLife. That's actually a little MyLife aquarium. And I thought every little classroom needs to have an aquarium in their classroom. Okay, and if you remember from the video that I did, I reviewed this little desk. This is a desk, and it has some different kinds of supplies. Also, I put a lunch tray on top there. Maybe they're going to be eating in their classroom. We don't usually eat in our classroom, but I don't know. I didn't have anywhere else to put it, so I just thought I'd put it right there. Okay, and there is the chairs they sit in. And also there is their little lunch box that they can take, that they're taking to school with them. It's a Hello Kitty one. I think I got this from Walmart. And it had lip balm in there. It was really cute. I got several of those. This little lunchbox thing. It's a real little metal lunchbox. I remember taking lunchboxes like that when I was in school. So if you could tell me, do you remember taking lunchboxes that were metal like this? They always had a thermos inside of it, and the thermos always matched the lunchbox. I remember I had one that I loved when I was in, I can't remember what grade, I don't know, 4th or 5th. And it was HR Puffin Stuff. Does anybody else remember HR Puffin Stuff? Okay, so here is their little backpack. Remember, I got those at Walmart. They had those at the beginning of the year. It's actually just to hang on your backpack. It's just a little thing that it's got a little ring. And so you couldn't really put it on a doll's back, but you could have it for decoration. And then there's the trash can That's right next to their desk. And then there's one of those little fortune teller things right there. And you've got a thing to hold notebook and folders. And I've got a magazine and that. And then we've got a pencil holder that will hold their crayons, maybe, and a marker, and a pencil, and some scissors, and a ruler, because those are kind of things that you need to have when you are a student. Okay, so here is that thing with all the letters up there. I can remember when I was in school, we always had all the letters, displayed so that we could remember how to write our letters. Okay, I know this is not a very long video here, but this is it. And what I really like about this little thing like this is that you can just take all the furniture and everything away, and also you can take the cat away, and once you get all that done, Kitty wants to be a student. Once you get all that done, then you can just fold. You can fold the floor, put the floor up, fold these walls up, and you can put it under a bed or in a closet or something like that. So that's really a pretty neat thing. Okay, so I guess that as far as the tour goes, this is probably about it. All right, so that is about it as far as the room tour. And so I just wanted to tell you that, sorry, I apologize for my cats, but sometimes they like to get in the show. So if you see one of my cats walking along, you'll know. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to try to do the next video, try to do something about Halloween decorating for Halloween. So I will be probably doing some more crafts, Halloween crafts and everything. So be on the lookout for that. Also remember, don't forget to, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and also subscribe.